Congratulations, your toddler has finally passed the toddler parties held at the local baby gymnastics studio. Now is the perfect time to host parties at your home, just like you had when you were a kid. But wait, how are you going to keep those kids entertained now? Hi, I'm Leslie from PlaydatesParties.com, and today I'm going to teach you an easy 3-step system to keep your kids entertained during at-home parties. Unlike toddlers, big kids have the attention span for structured activities. In fact, they will have more fun at a party with structured activities. But somewhere between the ages of 5 and 8, parents start dropping those kids off, which means you will need to act as cruise director for the full 2 to 3 hours. How on earth are you going to fill that time without running around like a chicken with its head cut off? Well, the good news is that kids in this age range are fairly independent. But the bad news is they're also prone to getting their feelings hurt if party games don't go the way they're expected. So I've developed a simple system to balance a combination of independent and structured activities to keep the kids happy and to help you manage your time. First off, get the party started with an independent activity. The start of any party is hectic. You're greeting guests, taking gifts, and possibly even introducing yourself to new parents. Having an independent activity to start off the party is the perfect way to add structure to what can be a chaotic time. Now, if your party has something big like a bounce house or an inflatable slide, you're covered. But if you're hosting indoors, you might want to start with an age-appropriate craft that fits the party theme. Here are some ideas to get your party started. Make your own glitter tattoos like these. Decorating hats and aprons. Making jewelry like bracelets and necklaces that match the theme of the party. Or even playing with Legos or Matchbox cars. The possibilities are endless, and if you're struggling to find a starter activity for your kids' party, leave a comment below. I'm sure we can come up with something together. By the way, you can find links for tutorials to these and other party activities I'm going over on my website, which is also linked below. Now, once the guests have all arrived, plan for one main activity that is the feature of the party. I love to plan activities that get kids working together for a party instead of playing independently. It really adds a sense of community. Single activities like cookie decorating are easy for you, but the main event could also be several small activities that coordinate with each other. Don't be afraid to swing for the fences here, but just remember, the more activities planned means more preparation time, and you will need to be more involved during the party itself. Also, if you choose to group together several activities, remember to simplify other areas of your party planning, like the menu or decorations, so you have time to coordinate those different activities. Now, here are some fun ideas to get you started planning your main event games. Decorating cookies, cupcakes, and cakes, treasure hunts and scavenger hunts, obstacle courses, Nerf gun wars, relay races, painting items that match the party theme, and spa activities, or even watching a movie. Now, third, finish up with 1 or 2 simple games. Once the main activity is done, you will want to calm the kids down with a simple meal or snack, and then 1 or 2 easy activities that the kids can do while the party winds down. The key here is to make sure you choose activities that the kids can stop and start with just a few moments' notice, so parents aren't struggling to get their kids' attention to go home. Here are a few ideas for easy end-of-party activities. Fast-playing board games and card games are great. You can also incorporate activities like beanbag tosses or fun horseshoe games like this cops and robbers themed horseshoe. All have built-in breakpoints where kids can easily stop to say goodbye. Now, before I stop here, I also want to say, don't forget to give the kids free time too. While it's great to have structured party activities for kids, one of the best things about kids' parties is that they get the opportunity to socialize with each other in an environment that isn't as structured as school or typical extracurriculars. Make sure you build in plenty of time between games for the kids to just relax and hang out with each other. They'll have a blast, and you'll appreciate the few moments to get a break. There you have it. That's my 3-step system for planning party activities for kids. Let's do a quick recap. First, start the party with an independent activity as guests arrive. Second, plan one main event game to entertain the kids. And third, end the party with 1 or 2 simple activities the kids can step away from with a few moments' notice. Now, if you love this system as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you can keep up with all the fun recipes, party planning tips, and crafts posted each week. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.